Good evening and welcome to Goa 365. I am Cheryl D'Souza. Our headlines at the hour: the Election Commission of India de-recognizes the United Goans Democratic Party. Police thwart efforts of Bajrang Dal activists to rally in the Muslim-dominated housing board at Rumda Mall. Pakistani man gets a new lease of life in India. Challenged children and adults to perform at Color Academy to raise funds for the late Baba Amte's project. We also have an art exhibition. Now for the news in detail. In what was perceived immediately after the General Assembly elections has come true. The United Goans Democratic Party was de-recognized as a state political party by the Election Commission of India. However, the Election Commission has allowed the UGDP the use of the symbol of Don Pana, so synonymous with the famous opinion poll, for a period of 6 years.
According to the Election Commission of India, any party has to have one elected MLA for every 25 members of that particular legislative assembly. However, only one UGDP candidate was successful at the 2007 General Assembly elections and hence attracted de-recognition in Goa. Further, a political party should poll 6% of the total valid votes, that is 6% of 7,11,072 votes, which is 46,664. Going by this criterion, the UGDP does face the risk of de-recognition as it has polled a total of 35,355 votes, which is below the prescribed 6% votes. The Election Commission, in its order, has observed the UGDP polled only 5.04% of votes and did not win any seat in the 2004 parliamentary elections. Thus, the party failed to fulfill the condition for recognition as a state party as per rules for continued recognition in Goa. In its observation, EC, citing Supreme Court ruling, observed that a party once recognized cannot claim to enjoy recognition in perpetuity. It has to show electoral support for recognition or continued recognition at every general election. Crestfallen UGDP General Secretary Advocate Anacleto Viegas, who had kept the party floating for more than a decade, said that the party workers will have to work hard and bounce back at the next hustings.
Timely intervention by the police helped to save the situation from going out of hand during a rally of Bajrang Dal activists inside the sensitive housing board at Rumda Mall.
Bajrang Dal activists organized a Jan Jagruti rally inside the housing board, where there is a concentration of Muslims, before heading towards Vasco. Police, aware of tension in the area last week over some members of Hindu community damaging a car belonging to a member of the Muslim community, did not take any chances and refused to allow them to enter housing board at Rumda Mall. The motorcycle-borne activists were attired in saffron-colored clothes, were shouting slogans. Sub-Divisional Magistrate Deepak Desai tried to pacify the activists not to undertake the rally as they did not have any permissions. But the activists were adamant and asked the SDM and police to do whatever they want. After much persuasion, the activists finally agreed to proceed to Vasco via Eastern Bypass with police following them.
We have lots more coming up after the break. Stay with us.